Like these things are like, hot girl is over.
Hot girl. So should it be like cold girl?
Chilly girl. Chilly girl. Chilly girl autumn.
Okay, anyway.
This is gonna be so fun editing.
So today we're doing an icy girl.
You gotta restart that because I was laughing. Hello?
Stop, Courtney, you're so annoying. This bitch said hello.
Okay guys, so I didn't get to like film an intro when I was at home. So it is what day is this? 6? Is it October 6th?
6.
Okay, are you ready for this drink, Klaryssa?
Being ready.
Alright, so we got pumpkins here. We have some cider, apples to make our drink.
Cinnamon.
And we got some of these so we can like decorate, and we got some cinnamon. And now we're just waiting in the checkout line. So this is about to be a hot girl. Oh wait, hot girl fall. Hot girl fall drink. We'll be back. We'll be back.
Boy, if you don't get
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So you know I told you guys that today is a Vlogtober. So guys, you know how hot girl summer, you know, it's over, it's finally fall. So today we're going to be creating our icy girl autumn drink. Yes, I'm super excited for this, guys.
I got the idea from Jenny69. She did her whole hot girl summer drink, but obviously it's not summer anymore, so we kind of put our own little spin on it.
Yeah, our own little twist.
We have our little fall decorations here to make it super cute, and we have all of our drinks. We literally went to the store and like last minute was like, actually let's just pick up whatever we think will go well
good
together
with this drink, right?
Yeah. So we also got to line the rim of the drinks instead of the like chamoy and the tahini that Jenny was doing. We're gonna do honey, sugar, and then what else we have?
Cinnamon.
Oh yeah, and cinnamon.
Also guys, we're also using cinnamon sticks as well.
So we have apples so we can put in our drink to garnish it.
And we also have apple cider. We want to kind of show you guys how to make 2 different drinks, your preference. And then I want you guys to put in the comment section below, after we do make these drinks, which drinks would you prefer? This is gonna be so cute. So guys, we have our honey in here, and then like she said, we have our sugar. Oh, it's really good.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead. We have our little mason jars here. This is what we're gonna pour our drinks in. Everything's cuter. I feel like mason jars are just so fall.
Everything gets better in the mason jar, like I said. And this, I think we should go ahead and dip this first before we pour the ice.
You're so smart. See, this is why.
Woo! It literally looks
That's so pretty.
yes.
Alright, I'm gonna dip mine now. Dipping the mason jars in the honey. I don't think anyone's ever done a honey
I don't think so either. Everybody's always done
Chamoy or
like, yeah, but what's the spicy stuff? Tahini. Look at that.
Oh my god! It's dripping inside. I love that.
Now we're gonna go ahead and dip it into the salt and then the sugar.
Oh my god, that's
beautiful.
So
I think I need some more honey.
Okay, yeah, we'll do more honey for you. Alright.
There we go. Now that, guys, don't be shy either.
Yeah,
dip that baby
in there. Make sure. Alright.
Yes, baby.
I love that it's falling inside the cup so it mixes with the drink.
Yeah, and I love how gold it looks. Like, is this gonna be? It's beautiful.
Oh shit, it's like dripping down the side. Oh, it's like falling.
Yeah.
That's okay.
The sugar. How beautiful is that?
Alright, so I'm gonna start with my apple slices because I actually want them to be like in the drink. So I'm gonna take my 2 little slices. I'm gonna drop them in the drink like that.
good. So I actually put 5 blackberries inside of there.
What is this? Jack Daniel's Tennessee Sour Mash Whiskey.
And you guys can use whatever liquor you prefer. We just decided to use Jack Daniel's.
Which I can get that out.
Because it's brown and you know, it just represents
Fall and like
the whole fall vibe.
it's like a warm drink.
You guys can do Hennessy, but
we had Jack Daniel's available, so we
Yeah.
just used Jack Daniel's.
whatever you prefer.
But I think I would, next time I would prefer Hennessy.
Hennessy.
I usually drink Hennessy. Okay, so I'm gonna pour about an ounce.
Because
Yeah.
I don't want my drink to be too strong.
Okay, also side note, I've been wanting to like do bartending and stuff, so I watched a bunch of bartending like tips and
Videos?
tricks on YouTube.
Uh-huh.
So she showed me how to like freehand pour an ounce.
Okay.
Like exactly an ounce. So I'm gonna try that and then
Freehand, even
yeah. Instead of like, oh wait,
though
does it have the
it
ounces?
tells you.
Okay, so then I'll freehand it and then if
Try to see if it's right.
And then I'll try to see if it's right. Okay, ready? I'm scared. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
And guys, you can make this as strong as you want, as little as you want. To me, I'm not a huge fan of, you know, drinking alcohol, just bleh. But I'm gonna make mine as girly as possible. So where I can still taste the alcohol, but also I have, you know, I can taste the other ingredients that I add in there as well.
I don't know if this is an ounce or not.
No? Okay, so she did her alcohol first. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the blackberry sparkling juice first, just because I want to pour as much as juice in there as possible and then add the alcohol.
Okay. While she's doing that, I'm putting ice in my cup.
Okay, so now that we got our blackberries, our honey, and our sugar loaded onto the cup, we're gonna go ahead and add the extra liquids. Extra liquids.
Extra liquids. The extra liquids.
We gotta add the extra liquids.
Alright, she's gonna put her sparkling blackberry juice.
Yes.
I've already put the whiskey in, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my apple cider in here.
And guys, this is by Izzy. You guys can choose whatever you want. So I have my blackberry sparkling juice, some blackberries, ice. Let's keep pouring, pouring, pouring. It does look so good, guys. Oh, yours look bomb too. No, that's a fall drink.
That's a fall drink.
That's what you call a fall drink. And this is an 8.4 fluid ounce, so this is going to be perfect, and it also leaves you room to pour the amount of alcohol you want in here as well. Now, this is the scary part for me. We're going to go ahead and add the Jack Daniel's inside. Let's not be too
Heavy-handed now. Yeah.
keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Ooh, okay, I think mine's going to be strong now.
I think it's stronger than mine. I set you up.
And we're just going to go ahead and mix this together. How's the apple cider? Is it good? Is it?
That's bomb.
Bomb.
I'm so proud of myself right now.
Okay. So guys, I did a sparkling blackberry whiskey drink, also with cinnamon.
And I did an apple cider whiskey drink, and we both did a sugar and cinnamon honey rim.
Yeah.
And we're gonna add a cinnamon stick in there just to be cutesy.
Yeah, and fancy.
And then that's pretty much it. And there you have it. That is the Icy Girl Autumn drink.
Uh-huh.
Cheers.
And let's cheer. Oh. Wow.
It tastes like I'm on a pumpkin patch.
And I feel like the longer you have your cinnamon stick in there,
The more it's gonna like sit
Yeah,
in
it's gonna
and
be
get
so
a
much
lot
better.
better. This would be good to like make like a picture for friends who are coming over.
yeah, when you have guests. Another thing that I wanted to say, you guys can also add cinnamon on top of the drinks. It just acts as a really nice decor. It makes the drink look so nice and fall looking. You okay? Oh, the pigeons. Oh, they're thirsty. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. And also, like I said in the comment section below, tell us which drinks you would,
Yeah, make
Would
these
like to
at
make.
home. Go
Yeah.
ahead and take our kind of ingredients, not really, but make them at home. Tell us which one you think is better. Let us know in the comments.
yours is really good.
I
Yours tastes so good, guys.
I feel like yours is like a mix between like summer and fall because
Yeah.
you have the blackberries,
The
kind of
blackberries.
summery, but then it's like tied in with like the cinnamon and the
Yeah.
honey and everything. Mine is just like fall as fuck.
Yeah,
That
it
should
is.
be the name of the drink.
Fall as fuck.
These are our fall as fuck drinks.
Seriously, that's actually a really good name.
That's okay. We should have had
If we
that
owned a
at the
restaurant, that will literally be the name of the menu. This is you want the fall as fuck drink because that shit is fall as fuck. Okay, thanks so much guys for watching. If you enjoy videos like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, I will put her YouTube channel in my description box below so you guys can go ahead and add her. Subscribe to her channel on YouTube. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to go ahead and subscribe as well. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Well, actually, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.